Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than XRP. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is happening, and where we could see the price of XRP going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, as of July the 15th, you guys can see the price of XRP is currently sitting at 71.6 cents. Down about 0.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, currently sitting at $37.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $3.5 billion. So the buying pressure is still there, the interest is still there, and I think this is just the absolute beginning for XRP. As far as the price is concerned, and the overall growth of the project. So now let's get into the news and see what is happening. So if we're looking at the weekly time frame, of course, we know that over the past week we have seen XRP be the top performer, and there's no question asked about that. It's up 52% after seeing a retracement within its price, and we know what happened. One of the biggest, I think one of the most historic days in the entire cryptocurrency history, because this was a huge win, and it's not something small, and this is very exciting, and this just changes everything for Ripple itself, and I think they will go public. I think Ripple will now go public, which is obviously another huge big plus point for the entire ecosystem itself. And this is a weekly recap. Let's go over that. So U.S. judge rules Ripple XRP is not a security. Huge news. Like I said, the biggest news. Number two, U.S. inflation falls to 3%, lower than expectations. Number three, Europe to launch first spot Bitcoin ETF this month. So speaking about this, we're seeing this ETF being approved left and right. It's just a matter of time it gets approved here in the U.S. Also, if you're seeing former SEC chairman says spot Bitcoin ETF should be approved. Coinbase relists XRP, which is a huge big plus point, and this is something we're going to talk about as we pull out the charts. Number six, 9 trillion asset manager BlackRock CEO says crypto will transcend international currencies due to global demand. 7, SEC acknowledges BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF application, and we know that SEC and BlackRock, the amount of proposals that they have sent to the SEC for approval, the success rate is crazy, almost 99.1%. And obviously number 8, SEC acknowledges Fidelity, VanEck, Wisdom Tree, and Invesco spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Number 9, Bank of America ordered to pay $250 million for charging illegal fees and opening credit card accounts without customers' consent. Oof. And number 10, Australian, I didn't know about that one. Number 10, Australian Security Exchange receives its first spot ETF application. Huge week, and what a huge month for the entire crypto space. Especially June and July have been massive, to say the least. But now let's look at the price, see what is happening. I've seen some comments coming in here and there. XRP is done. It's not moving anymore. What exactly is going on? Why is it not pumping? Relax, guys. Settle down. Let's not forget, XRP had a huge move. We saw $20 billion flow into XRP in a single day. In one single day, we saw $20 billion flow into XRP, which pumped the price of XRP into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Last time we were there was literally March 29th of 2022, which was last year. And after that, we did just all the way, we went down to that 28 cents. So now comes the question, when are we going to that $1 price point? That's the question that a lot of people have in their mind. When is that $1 price point going to come? And that's what we're going to talk about right now. So if we're looking at it on the hourly time frame, you can get a better picture as to what really is happening. So of course, the price really didn't close above that level of resistance at 85.27 cents. This is where, of course, we wanted to see the price close up, but after having a move like this, guys, $20 billion flowing in, obviously institutions are coming in, big hedge funds, massive, millionaires, billionaires are buying the heck out of XRP. And obviously when they see 100% gain, they're going to lock in profits. So, let's not ignore that fact. There's going to be people that are going to be locking in profits, and you just can't blame them. And obviously, since then, we have seen the price drop about 23.75%. Quite a healthy correction in my opinion, because still from the July 13th prices, if someone picked it up around that range, they're still up 51.1%. So XRP is holding great nonetheless. A retracement is very much needed before we do continue to see the upside. Look at the volume, guys. We haven't seen this much volume literally since 2021 for XRP, and that shows how fast the money can flow into this space. But of course, right now we have a lot of support built up around here pretty much throughout 2021 and a little bit of 2022, and we're seeing that level play as a level of support. You can see this for yourself where the price is hanging around. It's being supported by this range in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And what you want to see happen is, obviously we know Bitcoin isn't making up its mind on the other hand either. Bitcoin went up from $32,000 all the way down to 29,900, and obviously that is going to be something that is going to impact the price of XRP as well. I think if Bitcoin did not go down to this 30,300, we still would have been hanging within the 77 cents mark, but still nonetheless, holding quite strong. What I would like to see XRP do is trade within this range and break out of this level of resistance and start retesting this 80 cents range. And of course, then we will next target, once we break out of this zone right here, the next main target is that 85 cents mark, and that's a huge level of resistance. You can clearly see this for yourself. We did try to break out of here on the 13th once again, but that was a clear rejection. So this shows that this level of resistance is quite important. Once we break out of that level of resistance at that, like I said, 85 cents mark, then basically minor retracement at 94 cents, but we are headed to that $1.05 mark, which is at that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Look at the buying volume, guys. It's really, really high, and I can see this happening even possibly before the end of the month. XRP could be trading at $1, but it all depends on Bitcoin. Let's hope Bitcoin does not go back down to 28,000. But obviously a lot of interest is coming in XRP. The people that missed out the previous bull cycle, the money that was on the sidelines. Remember, XRP was unable to hit its all-time high last year, and obviously because uncertainty was quite high, a lot of money was still on the sidelines because this case was going on. But despite all that, it was able to hit an all-time high of literally $2. I'm sorry, not an all-time high for that cycle. So it was able to hit $2 despite that case going on and nothing coming out of this case. But that really shows that just in a matter of a day, we saw $20 billion flow in, and imagine what is coming next. Once it crosses the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, guys, we could be on our way really, really fast back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level and going back to that $2 range sooner than a lot of people think. So, let's settle down. Let's not forget, people will take profits. There's accumulation happening for months and months. People that were accumulating, even if they locked in profit and bought back in, you can't blame it. But, the bigger picture is looking insane, and I think we're only going to hear more positive news come out of XRP as we do go into this bull run, of course, as we proceed into it. But that is it for today's update. See you guys tomorrow. Let me know if you guys want to hear more XRP updates. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.